This 2026 a lot have changed. Nini hiyo imechange? Hapa Gusii Bonsi because hapa Kenya Bonsi P walikuwa wanatarajia ya kwamba Omorai Fred Okengo Matiang'i ataform chama chake, ama kuna chama ilikuwa inasemekana inakuwa controlled na Fred Okengo Matiang'i, chama cha UPA. Una get your point? So hiyo chama ilikuwa projected like tulidhania kwamba Freddy akikam atajiunga na hiyo chama, ama pengine atengeneze chama chake atupeleke sisi moja kwa moja aba kusirende bakachaka mosaso komogoko bakachaka koiria tebi chuliko chia nga this is the time omogusi nerara gambe, this is the only time omogusi nerara occupy the top office, this is the time because aba iko bonsi baitabire Gen Z baitabire aba Kenya bonsi baitabire, this is the only time we have elinde torae buna egesa gukio mogusi bakachaka kusasokera omwaka oso mwana gwiraba Fred Okengo Matiang'i. That is why Maraga is so blameless. Maraga ana mambo, Maraga ni mtu mpole. In fact tulikuwa tunampenda venye alifanya kazi na heshima, venye alitumia ukweli. But because of Fred Okengo Matiang'i abantu bakachaka koranga abanga Maraga, what are you doing man? This is our time. You want to spoil man, itobote talina bangete Maraga, but because they are so determined to make sure that Fred Okengo Matiang'i occupy the top office, that is why walikuwa there is that narrative that like tulikuwa ama walikuwa wanachukia David Kenani Maraga, which is not true. The fact is walikuwa wanataka kutumia mbinu yoyote ku make sure that Fred Okengo Matiang'i occupy the top office. Vintu vichinchanga in 2026 ama approaching 2026, Njike toko iwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i anakuja na Jubilee, anakuwa sponsored na the former president Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Ndora kana ya probably Matiang'i hajatengeneza pesa ya kusimamia campaign. Uhuru Kenyatta akona kichele, so acha msponsor ya kidogo tunasikia Matiang'i hata si party leader. Matiang'i amemekiwa akuwe deputy party leader. Like Uhuru Kenyatta, if you are so keen in making Fred Okengo Matiang'i the sixth president of Kenya, why unamake akae deputy party leader? Why mbona usimwachie chama akae party leader wa Jubilee? Sawa, okay, it's okay. So chinkroche hapa Gusii usinaona ba Kenya bande chikachaka kuira nase is Fred Okengo Matiang'i really serious in presidents? Atujamuona pia akikampeni sana. Fred Okengo Matiang'i is not attacking the government the way it's supposed to be attacked. But anyway, that is tactic. Hiyo ni cheap politics. But anyway, that is the tactics of Fred Okengo Matiang'i. But yake ndo kia mbete kuchanganya Gusii kusinomo Kenya di general. Why deputy party leader wa Jubilee? Okay, why mbona hujaform party yako? Are you really serious? But people like us bali tuegenete kabisa in Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Aliwa anasema party ni party, as long as Gusii at the top office ni sawa, tuko sawa. Otherwise sisi ni minority, na whichever kama tumepata support ya hawa vigogo wakuu wenye wana control hii country, the likes of the Kikuyu, the likes of Luo, the likes of those people, acha tu tujifanye bora tu tushinde ile kuu. Mwisonde Azimio, Uhuru ameanza kurevive Azimio. Guess who is the party leader? Is none other than Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. So you the head of Jubilee, you have revived Azimio coalition. Make Kalonzo Musyoka to be a party leader. So that is automatically, it's like Kalonzo is a presidential candidate. Matiang'i maybe akwe deputy president ama tafutiwe mahali hapo. Imetuchanganya hata zaidi. Currently, Simba Arati is at the government, enjoying protection of the government. It is being said that Simba Arati is a goon. Mono chechi burabu chiko kore kana ime ya Gusii. Ose to be specific in Kisii. Simba Arati is a goon and is enjoying state protection. Simba Arati, it is being said as a deputy party leader wa ODM, anakuwa sponsored na government. Kasongo na Ruto mwenyewe kukara out those activities zenye munaona kule Gusii. And the fact that Fred Okengo Matiang'i hajatupea mwelekeo vizuri kama ataendea the top seat. The fact yeye ni deputy party leader wa Jubilee, is not even Azimio deputy party leader, so hajatupea mwelekeo kabisa. Simba Arati has capitalized on that opportunity. Simba Arati obeire ka gutumia that opportunity ku convince some of those members when walikuwa on the fence ba tekerete ngo Fred Okengo Matiang'i ne rura chikoba onyari koba convince. Since Fred Okengo Matiang'i might not go to the top office, hiyo imemsave Simba Paul Arati. 2, Matiang'i is a deputy party leader just like Simba Paul Arati. 3, Matiang'i is a Jubilee member, Jubilee which has the roots ya Abaikoyo. Simba Arati equally is a deputy party leader of ODM, one of the biggest parties we have in Kenya. Matiang'i is on the other side of Uhuru Kenyatta. Simba Arati is on the side of President William Samoei Ruto. Is the incumbent governor, is enjoying state resources. So, ametumia hizo resources ku convince people with gonism, kutumia chigun, abantu bono nkobo abale, and that is why is now creating that perception that is slowly gaining the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I hope we have answered the question why it is being perceived that Simba Arati is slowly gaining the ground, and Matiang'i is perceived to be losing the ground. In this video, we have answered who is the current spokesperson Yohomo Gusii. Is it Simba Arati who has been bragging that I'm the spokesperson ya Yohomo Gusii, njeno monogali kabisa Yohomo Gusii? Ama ni Fred Okengo Matiang'i, yeye hajaisema yeye ni spokesperson ya Yohomo Gusii. But we all know that spokesperson ama kingpinship has never been elective. Kingpinship negento ko inherit osnegento kegocha automatically based on the numbers you control. Those are my views, ladies and gentlemen. Probably no whatever will be divergent. Kindly drop them in the comment section below. My name is SC Bon, and that is Raw Politics. I think those who have been following politics, moma ichipo indechi na bochire igo korubono probably 2007 na bochire change, but mangana ligo chiko change mono. That is how things are. I'm just monitoring politics, especially Gusii, slow by slow. Mayenga iganga ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i, because up to now ntura manyabu yo mwelekeo Fred Okengo Matiang'i. That is why people are reluctant. That is why people are confused, and that is why probably Simba Arati ana manipulate people there. I like Simba Arati see it in the campaign, but into bwate bono itoroli ito ya tokunya police ngi abantu ba we should all kila mtu ali siritoroli ito na into tonyo ko sinko kama tuli na into seito ngombe ito tonya ko kama chingombe chejirani hapana. So I'm not the campaign in any way Simba Arati. Simba Arati is my friend. Simba Arati sijanikosea na sijaona makosa yake, but now we have our own son Okohem at the biggest office. Kama hata kuwa hapo, then it is a discussion for another day. But as by now, because we are just confused, because we don't know, let's rally our support behind Fred Okengo Matiang'i.